Hello. Now we are going to read the book Rosie's Walk by Pat Hutchins. Pat Hutchins is the author of this book. And she looks like this. This is Pat Hutchins, the author of this book. Here you can see Rosie. Rosie is a hen. And you can see the farm she is living on. Rosie is living on a farm. And it says here, for Wendy and Stephen. Who do you think Wendy and Stephen are? Who are Wendy and Stephen? So, we're going to read the text. Please pay attention. Rosie the hen went for a walk. Rosie the hen went for a walk. Across the yard, across the yard. Around the pond, around the pond. Over the haystack, over the haystack. Past the mill, past the mill. Through the fence, through the fence. Under the beehives, under the beehives. And got back in time for dinner. And got back in time for dinner. So, this was the book Rosie's Walk by Pat Hutchins. Did you like it?